All right, to shave or not to shave? Not to shave. That's my answer. Hi there, it is Dr. Durowade from Dardur Gynecology, here to make uncommon knowledge common. I know that society has created an idea of beauty. Whether we like it or not, we're shaped by what we see on social media, by what we see in movies. But there are a lot of issues with shaving. So if you shave with a razor, most of the time you'll get a cut, and when you break the skin, the normal bacteria that live on that skin can get into your hair follicles and cause bumps. Those bumps can grow into an infection, so it can be a big issue. So I tell my patients that you can trim the hair if it's bothersome to you. You can use an electric shaver, so it's not a close shave. The idea is that the hair is protective. It protects your hair follicles and your skin from the bacteria that live on your skin. Also, I get a lot of questions from women about, do I need to shave before my appointment? You know, do you care if I shave? Or women are apologizing to me before I do their exam. Oh, I'm sorry, I haven't shaved. Your gynecologist is not judging you. Your gynecologist wants you to keep the hair to protect you. What we see on social media, what people see when they watch pornography, those things have shaped what we consider to be beautiful about our bodies. For women, your pubic area was made the way it was made for a specific reason. When we start changing things is when we start developing new problems to deal with. Keeping the hair is not a bad thing. They feel like it makes them sweaty. They feel like there's an odor. It's okay to trim the hair. The Brazilian wax, where they take off all the hair. Even those women who get waxes still come to me with complaints about bumps because you're breaking your skin barrier. If we're trying to adhere to beauty standards, whatever you're comfortable with is good. It's just better to know what they can lead to and what they can cause. So to shave or not to shave, to Brazilian or not to Brazilian, I would say just keep the hair.